What is FBA seller feedback analysis? FBA seller feedback analysis is the process of evaluating and interpreting customer reviews, ratings, and feedback received on your fulfillment by Amazon FBA account. It helps sellers understand customer satisfaction, identify recurring issues, and uncover opportunities to improve product quality, service, and overall buyer experience. The main goal is to maintain a strong seller reputation, boost trust, and enhance long-term sales performance on Amazon. This analysis involves monitoring both positive and negative feedback to spot trends and insights. Sellers can identify which products consistently perform well and which may need adjustments in packaging, quality, or delivery. A strong feedback analysis strategy also helps sellers respond to customer concerns promptly, improve listing accuracy, and increase the likelihood of receiving 5-star ratings. Many sellers rely on Helium 10 to simplify their FBA seller feedback analysis. Helium 10's suite of tools helps track product performance, review trends, and sentiment data to better understand what customers truly think. With these insights, sellers can take proactive steps to improve their brand image, reduce returns, and create a more customer-focused FBA business. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to analyze feedback, monitor performance, and grow your Amazon FBA business efficiently at no cost.